goodness. He literally... Oh!
Nice head kick by Sagar here, right to the face.
Oh! Coming up next, we've got Dinesh Naurim in the flyweight category, taking on Sagar Thapa.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Dinesh Naurim!
दिनेश नावरे बढ़ रहे हैं MFN 11 के केज की तरफ, तो आज यहाँ काफी ऊंचा मनोबल लेके आ रहे हैं.
And his opponent, making his way to the cage, Sagar Thapa!
Damn, I've been waiting to watch this guy fight. I saw a lot of his amateur fights, and John, you'll be amazed to know that Sagar was the first guy in the country to pull a twister in an amateur fight.
Let's see if he can pull that off tonight. He certainly has his hands full.
Sagar Thapa comes in representing Mutant MMA all the way from Uttarakhand, and for this specific bout he ran his camp at Soma MMA in Bali. Dinesh is the wrestler, and on the other hand we've got Sagar Thapa, who's got excellent jiu-jitsu.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 57.25 kilograms, representing Manipur, Dinesh Naurim! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 56.6 kilograms, representing Uttarakhand, Sagar Thapa! Ladies and gentlemen, the referee for the fight, Yakub.
Follow my all instruction, all time. Clean fight, start to start, and stop to immediately fight stop. Okay? Gloves touch. Gloves touch. Touch gloves.
दिनेश नावरिम वर्सेस सागर थापा. दिनेश हैं मणिपुर से, सागर हैं उत्तराखंड से. दिनेश व्हाइट एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में, सागर ब्लैक एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में. दोनों फाइटर समय लेते हुए. सागर ने एक लेग किक से करी शुरुआत.
Yeah, guys, these wide stances like this, they're great at preventing a takedown, but they certainly leave you open for nice hard leg kicks.
एक लगाई टांग पे और दूसरी लगाई बॉडी पे. बहुत बढ़िया कॉम्बिनेशन सागर की तरफ से.
Well, John, Dinesh has to be a bit cautious here because Sagar definitely has that reach advantage. And especially with that big stance, Dinesh is making himself vulnerable for those kicks.
Guys, and to go back to these kicks, we need fighters to start blocking the kicks.
बिल्कुल जॉन, हमने एक भी फाइटर को अभी तक नहीं देखा है इन किक्स को चेक करते हुए. We've not seen a single shin check.
And it's actually been a common thing throughout the last 3 fights. MFN 9, 10, and 11.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's some free coaching from John Groves right there. Start checking those leg kicks.
Please.
If Big John says start checking the legs, sorry, start checking the kicks, you better do so. Both these guys, oh! Dinesh shoots in for a, oh my goodness, that was crazy, man.
बहुत ही बढ़िया स्लैम किया यहाँ पे, और दिनेश आए हैं टॉप पे. बिल्कुल समय नहीं वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. आते ही 2 मुक्के लगाए, बॉडी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं.
Guys, one thing to notice here is Sagar is maintaining composure and staying calm even though he just got picked up and slammed on his head.
ये देखिए, प्रेशर डालते हुए दिनेश सागर के ऊपर पंचेस लगा रहे हैं. एल्बो भी लगाई वहां पे. बहुत बढ़िया डोमिनेशन.
Dinesh doing a really good job here of controlling the hips, preventing Sagar from climbing that cage while raining down those punches from top position.
Sagar is back up on his feet now, and Dinesh looking to take him down again.
That's some crazy wrestling by Dinesh Naurim. Sagar again down.
मौका ही नहीं दे रहे हैं दिनेश सागर को खड़े होने का और कुछ अपना गेम प्लान करने का। यहां बार बार उनको नीचे लेके जा रहे हैं और डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं। फिलहाल दोनों फाइटर वापस अपने पैरों पे।
Both fighters trading knees on and off the cage here. Dinesh doing a great job with these level changes and taking down Sagar here, kind of at will.
ये तीसरा टेक डाउन है जो दिनेश ने लिया है। बिल्कुल अपना मन बना के आए हैं कि नीचे रखना है सागर को और बार बार टेक डाउन लेके वही कर रहे हैं।
Excellent wrestling by Dinesh Naurim here. I think that wrestling, that those takedowns, John, play to his advantage.
I agree with that. I agree with that wholeheartedly. And then he's always landing inside control. Notice once he sets Sagar down, he immediately is inside control, controlling his hips and controlling his shoulders.
बिल्कुल कंट्रोल बहुत मिलता है और दूसरी चीज स्ट्राइकिंग भी कर रहे हैं। ये देखिए एल्बो लगाई, पंचेस लगा रहे हैं, समय जाया नहीं करते हैं। पूरा टाइम, जितना टाइम उन्हें ग्राउंड पे मिलता है सारा यूज करते हैं और शायद यहाँ पे गिलिटीन लगाने की कोशिश।
Well, Sagar knows for sure that it's better they stand up and trade shots. Going to the ground may not be the best thing to do.
Sagar's going to need to start utilizing that lead hand and stuff. Every time he comes in, keep it in his face. Keep him at bay, utilizing that nice stiff jab.
Both these guys on the feet once again. And look at, John, look at the way Dinesh is there. He wants to shoot in once again. Take Sagar down.
He does, 100%. And he's continually faking that level change, throwing hands to... Oh, he was rocked right there. Nice uppercut by Sagar.
And I think Sagar has to follow up with his shots. He literally...
Nice head kick by Sagar here, right to the face.
अब सागर ने अपनी तरफ से कुछ स्ट्राइक्स लैंड करने शुरू किए। बहुत जरूरत भी थी सागर को इसकी, क्योंकि पूरा राउंड जा रहा था दिनेश की तरफ। ये अंत में जो एक दो अच्छे स्ट्राइक्स लैंड किए हैं, इससे बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा।
10 more seconds to go. Oh, Sagar attacking the body.
Well, what a round. What a round.
One.
सैंक्शन किया है मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 11 को GAMAF ने, ग्लोबल एसोसिएशन ऑफ मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स फेडरेशंस, as well as All India Mixed Martial Arts Association.
Round number 2 begins. Both these guys on their feet trying to assess the distance. Oh, what a sprawl. Man, this is crazy. Sagar knows Dinesh will be shooting in and he better be sprawling.
और यहाँ पे दिनेश को पोजीशन मिल गई है, अपनी टॉप पोजीशन में है, पंचेस लगा रहे हैं, डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं। यही चाहते हैं दिनेश, फाइट को ग्राउंड पे लेके जाना। इसलिए हमने देखा राउंड शुरू होते ही दिनेश सीधा टेक डाउन के लिए गए। हालांकि पहला टेक डाउन डिफेंड किया सागर ने, दूसरा नहीं कर पाए।
Guys, Dinesh doing a really good job of setting up that lead single leg right there. Keeping his lead leg on the outside.
Both these guys trading shots while on the ground. Dinesh trying in for top domination. He may have good wrestling skills, but trust me, I trust Sagar's jiu-jitsu more.
I really like the way Dinesh is punching Sagar. He's going body head. He's mixing it up. This is classic ground and pound. Fantastic work from Dinesh.
Very much reminiscent of Mark Coleman back in the day.
Wow, look at those punches. बहुत ताकत है. Every punch has a lot of power in it.
Manan, I think Dinesh is, Sagar is working on something. He, with Dinesh punching him, there's enough room for him to try and pull a triangle.
Rahul, it's like Mike Tyson said, everybody has a plan till they get hit in the face.
Yeah.
Such a true story.
Never gets old.
नॉन स्टॉप देखिए, ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड नॉन स्टॉप है। दिनेश एक मशीन की तरह मार रहे हैं, बॉडी हेड नॉन स्टॉप प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं। He's not even very concerned with passing the guard. He just wants to keep throwing those punches.
He has incredible top pressure here, Dinesh. If I'm Sagar in Sagar's camp, I'm going to tell him, stand up.
Mount lete hue almost.
Excellent defense here.
Excellent defense.
He didn't let Dinesh take the mount.
Slipped right out of the back door and right back into full guard. I'm impressed by Sagar's jiu-jitsu.
Dinesh again on top. Well, Sagar here could do something with his legs. Maybe setting up a submission. He's got the guard open now. He closes again. But one thing, oh man!
Nice short elbow, opens up a cut on Sagar's forehead.
Super toxic.
And vicious.
And one more.
Oh man, that's nasty.
The referee calls for a timeout. I think it's because the referee wants the doctors to check on Sagar. इतनी ज़्यादा vicious थी वो elbow कि referee को timeout call करना पड़ा.
All right, so Sagar is back. Doctors checked him. He's good to go, good to fight. And the action begins. This is round number 2. We've got less than 2 minutes to go. Excellent action by Dinesh Naurem here.
Now with the giant cut on his head, he's really going to need to not get taken down. He cannot afford any more punishment on the ground from Dinesh.
बहुत ही solid.
That was heavy.
Such a heavy left overhand to the face of Sagar.
Another.
उस ओवरहैंड के पीछे टेक डाउन छुपाते हुए दिनेश ने करी एंट्री और
what a hip toss, guys.
बिल्कुल समय नहीं जाया कर रहे हैं. टेक डाउन लेते ही स्ट्राइकिंग कर दी है चालू दिनेश ने. 1 मिनट अभी भी पड़ा है इस राउंड में.
Dinesh again dominating Sagar from the top. He's relentless. He's just striking. Oh,
Dinesh doing a really good job.
बहुत ही खतरनाक पोजीशन गाइस. अभी 40 सेकंड पड़े हैं. फाइट खत्म भी हो सकती है. रेफरी याकूब बहुत ध्यान से देखते हुए और दोनों फाइटर वापस अब अपने पैरों पे. Dinesh has done some serious damage to Sagar. Look at Sagar's face.
and Dinesh looks absolutely unscarred, unscratched. Oh, another takedown, man.
Yeah, it's like a machine.
Yes,
it does the same thing again and again and again, and there's no stopping it. Dinesh is like a machine.
He won't let you stand up, man. He won't let you stand up.
I want you guys to notice as well, he does a very good job of targeting that cut on Sagar's face. Every time he gets an opportunity to strike it, he strikes it and opens it up just a little bit further.
10 more seconds to go.
Solid ground and pound. I'm really impressed with Dinesh's ground and pound.
John, this man is a beast. Continuous pounding.
He's like being hit by a Mack truck, guys.
एक तरफा फाइट चल रही है राहुल. हम शुरुआत से देख रहे हैं दिनेश आते हैं, टेक डाउन लेते हैं और तोड़ते हैं अपने अपोनेंट को, और उसी चीज का रिपीट हमें बार-बार देखने को मिल रहा है. एंड यू विल सी इट हैपनिंग अगेन. पंचेस मारेंगे, किक्स मारेंगे, he'll hide his takedown behind some strikes, which is very intelligent, and then he'll repeat what he's been doing in the previous 2 rounds.
Hey, if it's not broke, why fix it?
I 100% agree with that, John.
Dinesh again setting up a takedown, throws in a kick. Oh, Sagar counter strikes. Oh, man,
That
that's some
landed clean
heavy
on the
leather.
jaw. There we go again, guys.
As soon as Dinesh gets Sagar on his back foot, he immediately shoots in for that single or double leg and takes him down to the canvas.
और छोड़ते नहीं है दिनेश. अगर एक टेक डाउन आप डिफेंड कर लो, वो इमीडिएटली दूसरा लगाते हैं, उसके पीछे चेन करते हैं अपने टेक डाउन्स को. बहुत इंटेलिजेंट स्ट्रैटेजी है ये. टेक डाउन्स को चेन करते हैं और यहाँ देखिए लगातार घूसे एकदम मशीन की तरह.
Both these guys up on the feet once again. But Dinesh has been dominating Sagar. Oh, an attempt to take the back.
बहुत ही सॉलिड नी स्ट्राइक लगाया वहां पे दिनेश ने. And if you notice, guys, Sagar seems to be sort of worn out now.
Sagar is certainly worn out, guys. He's been taking a beating for the last 2 rounds.
कोई एक्शन नहीं देखने को मिल रही है हमें सागर की तरफ से, ना कोई पंचेस, ना कोई किक्स.
Guys, I think that liver kick right there hurt him. You see how he went from holding his hands up high, now his elbow is down by his liver. That hurt. I think that was a leg check right there, guys.
Another takedown. John, I like the way Dinesh has been planning his takedowns. You know, he kicks you, he punches you, but eventually takes you down.
बहुत ही खतरे में सागर थापा. नॉन-स्टॉप हैमर स्ट्राइक्स और रेफरी ने फाइट को रोका. दिनेश नाउरेम wins via TKO. What a performance, ladies and gentlemen.
Excellent stoppage here by the referee.
Excellent stoppage. I agree with that stoppage 100%.
Unstoppable एकदम. जिस तरीके से दिनेश ने फाइट किया है, unstoppable.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Yakub called a stop to the fight in the 3rd round, declaring the winner by TKO.